it was good. It's good to see the hard truths coming out. And it's always been a Pākehā perspective that's been shared around what's happened. So it's nice to have us saying our story our way. It just feels like we've scratched the surface of the story and we want to know more. So
it's a healing process. Being able to tell our story allows us to actually get rid of all the issues that we have in association with that.
It was very informative in a short amount of time, so it captured me, had me engaged, wanting more.
Powerful having rangatahi voice, having rangatahi share the kōrero of our stories. It's a really, it impacts, it hits home hard. And it's really good in terms of they get to learn about who they are and history and where they come from.
There's a lot of potential for it to be delivered in schools as well as businesses as well as to governmental bodies. This is a great foundation for which we can build on.
Content was healing, which was a priority for the group, and acknowledging some of the darkness, but acknowledging the Rongowhakaata story was the most important thing.
The main thing is to inform everybody, the world, the Rongowhakaata story, but the intention is that the Rongowhakaata story will go in the New Zealand curriculum, our story from here,